Dr. Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel. Friends, this is a series of short videos I am making, video clips, in which I am going to show different yoga postures, how to do them. Especially for beginners or even for people who are already practicing yoga. Many people are not able to do certain postures, so I am showing them on the mat and also the variations of that posture. If you are not able to do on the mat, like headstand and shoulder stand, how to do with the support of wall, also I am showing in this video. I am showing the shoulder stand. So lie down on your back, bend your legs, take a deep breath in and lift. You have to just give a push. Press your hands on the mat. Take a deep breath in and you have to just lift like that. Lift your hips as if you are trying to lift them in the air. Immediately when you lift your hips, you have to support your hands on the lower hips. Breathe in and hold here and adjust your hands. Now after first holding your hips, you can adjust your hands and bring them down. Your legs should not go like this. Try to bring them straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly bring your hips down, bend the legs, relax, stretch one leg at a time and relax in Shavasana. Okay, so this one, if you are not able to do on the mat, you can do with the support of wall. So let's see how to do. Lie down near the wall. Now when you stretch your legs to the wall, okay, stretch your legs and lift your hips and support your hips here. Either you can do this way or lift. Here if you can hold. If you are not able to do because of the weight or any other problem, just hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When you find if you want to take your legs up, you can do this way also. The benefits of shoulder stand are same when you do with the support of wall or when you do separately on the mat. It's the same.